I am Trisha. I am the co-founder and CTO of Immunity AI. We are an antibody discovery. We've built an AI platform to discover novel therapeutic antibodies which can be used to cure diseases like cancer and autoimmune disorder. In the past 6 months, we've been building our AI platform, and I'm happy to report that we've built our platform and we've also tested it in the real world. So we've done lab experiments which demonstrate the potential of our AI platform across various targets. So being part of the NASSCOM GenAI Foundry ecosystem has been great. Being part of the NASSCOM ecosystem has also been great. I mean, of course, you get to meet fellow co-founders, share journeys, share notes on how to speak with customers, how has been the early experiences, product and development, fundraising, etc. But additionally, the best part I've seen is I've been part of certain conversation with UNESCO being part of it, conversations where the Indian government is sitting there, conversation where countries like Australia and Indian government are coming together and talking about the Indian AI ecosystem, talking about how foundational model can be built out of India and for the international market. That's great, I feel like, because now is the time where India is ramping up on building foundational model, on building hard tech, deep tech models in niche areas like biotech, etc. And I feel like NASSCOM is playing a great role in supporting startups, making these connections, being present in those rooms are the most important part for a founder. Getting a say in the conversation, getting to talk in those roundtable conferences is what makes the huge difference about being heard from the company's perspective. So at this point of time, we are speaking with customers, early conversations, and we are always raising like any deep tech company. But if we hit the jackpot, and which we feel we'll do, the success for us then looks like an Indian company who built their tech in India and is now selling to global players based out of US, Europe, and making a name for India, a truly made in India deep tech product, making impact in the pharmaceutical space in US, Europe, and the likes. Thank you for NASSCOM for giving us this opportunity, even providing boot camps, physical events like these where you can get to relax, get to be part of interesting sessions, having a very candid conversation. I think that's also very rare. Most of the conferences are pretty formal. Having candid conversations, talking about real problems, that has been instrumental.